Today we'll teach you about the AV system in the Capitol Hall training room at 1001 Pennsylvania Avenue in Washington, D.C. To use this Capitol Hall room, start by grabbing the touch panel or iPad on the wall and touching the home screen to begin. Once the screen has been touched, you'll have the option to either connect a laptop hardwired with this button on the left, or connect to the room via a wireless device with this button on the right. If you want to video conference in this space, you will have to select wireless device. If all you need to do is plug in a laptop via HDMI and present to the screen, touch laptop. Laptop requires you to connect via the HDMI wall plate and an HDMI cable. All you can do is share your screen, share video content, and present using laptop. If you select wireless device, you will need a Barco ClickShare USB-C dongle. You'll want to connect that dongle to your laptop, push the button, and you will have full capabilities to present your screen or video conference. Here's a quick video to teach you more about the Barco ClickShare video conference device.
Barco ClickShare allows you to connect your device to the display in the room and the other technology in the room, allowing employees to wirelessly present material or join video conference calls. Leveraging the audio and visual equipment you already have in your meeting rooms, an employee should be able to walk in with their laptop, plug in a Barco ClickShare device, click the button, and start video conferencing.
The user experience for video conferencing in the Capitol Hall room should be grabbing a Barco ClickShare USB-C dongle, plugging it into your computer, pushing the button on the dongle, and then joining a Microsoft Teams call or Zoom call just like you always would. This experience gets your laptop connected to the in-room equipment, including the microphones and cameras. When connecting a USB-C dongle to your laptop should automatically recognize that you now want to use the in-room microphones, cameras, and speakers. If your laptop has any issues connecting with the USB-C dongle, follow these helpful steps. If you're a PC user, open File Explorer, go to ClickShare, ClickShare for Windows, and run the Barco ClickShare that way. If you're a Mac user, open Finder, go to ClickShare, ClickShare for Mac. Once you've connected to the room and you're ready to video conference, the touch panel in the room gives you a few additional controls. At the top of the touch panel, you will see a web conference button. This is for your camera controls. The Capitol Hall has two cameras, a front camera and a rear camera. You can select which camera you want your remote participants to see on the left of the touch panel. Use the dial in the middle to pan the camera you have selected left, right, up, and down. You can also zoom in and out using these buttons. The cameras come with 4 presets each. The presets are most likely saved spots that work well for a video conference. You can hit any of these presets to see if it's going to work for your upcoming meeting. At all times, your touch panel will have a bar on the bottom. The bar on the bottom is your control of the speakers in the room. If you can't hear anyone on the other end, you may need to turn it up. If you hear them but they're too loud, you may need to turn it down. You can also mute the speakers and mute your microphones. Capitol Hall has the ability to not only video conference but audio conference using the microphones and speakers in the room. If you want to audio conference, hit the audio conference button, type in a number, and dial that number. When turning on the room, it is expected that the display will turn on and off automatically. If you ever need to manually turn the display on and off, you can do that on the touch panel using the display controls page. Simply click on or off to get the display to work. The mic control option at the top of your touch panel is only for the presenter microphones. Each presenter microphone is clearly labeled. There is one lapel clip-on microphone and 2 handheld microphones. To turn those microphones up and down, you can use the easy commands here. To mute them, you can use the commands at the bottom. The microphones that are wireless, meant to sit on the tables that look like little shavers, do not have custom control. Those are to pick up your audience for a good video conferencing experience. The last page at the top of your touch panel is System Shutdown. When you're ready to shut down the system, hit this button. It will prompt you to make sure you wanted to hit System Shutdown. To shut the room down, hit Yes. After you've used the room, please return the iPad controller. We hope you had a successful meeting and you'll use this space again. Thank you.